Let's solve one previous question of graph theory. This question was asked in GATE CS 2022, question number 20. Consider a simple undirected graph of 10 vertices. If the graph is disconnected, then the maximum number of edges it can have is dash. So it is saying simple undirected graph of 10 vertices. If the graph is connected having n vertices, then maximum number of edges will be n into n minus 1 divided by 2. Here 10 vertices, if the graph will be connected, means there is just one graph, the number of edges will be 10 multiplication 9 divided by 2, it will be 45. But here it's given the graph is disconnected and maximum number of possible edges. Graph is disconnected means take two group, one contain 9 vertex 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is one group and another group having just one vertex. Here in this 9 vertex there can be maximum number of edges. So 9 multiplication 8 divide 2. 8 divide 2 is 4. So 9 multiplication 4 is 36. So 9 vertices maximum number of edges equals to 36 and this one vertex is separate, that is disconnected. It have no edges, it is not connected with any other vertex. So maximum number of edges possible equals to 36. So here answer will be 36. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.